everybody, Tom here from T-Bone Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing wings, but not just any wings. We're going to do pickle wings. Yes, pickle wings. So basically what we did was, last night we drained about 2 jars worth of pickles, took the pickles out, took that juice, poured it into a bag, took our about 5 pounds of chicken wings, threw those in the bag, and basically marinated them overnight. Then, this morning, we drained the chicken wings and put them out on a rack, on a cookie sheet, and put them back in the fridge to basically, well, we patted them dry, put them in the fridge, and just let them kind of air dry for a couple of hours. That's a very key piece when you're doing chicken wings, is to do something like that, because you want to get that skin a little dry so that it comes out crispier in the end. We've got the Grilla Silverback outside, preheating, running 375. So let's get our chicken wing seasoned and out on the grill. Okay, so we're out at the Silverback. I got it preheated at 375. We have the Silverback with the Alpha Smoke, so what I did was I actually flipped the mode over to allow a little more smoke, because the precision temperature, while that's nice, and especially competition-wise it will be, but today we're just doing backyard wings, and at 375, if you run it a consistent 375 without a little bit of smoldering, you're not going to get a lot of smoke. And, you know, it's nice to get a little bit of smoke. I mean, that's why we're cooking outside. Otherwise, we could have just thrown them in the oven. So, I'm going to go ahead and throw these in. By the way, front shelf is definitely something worth getting on this. It makes life so much easier. So, let's go ahead and get these on. Okay. We'll be back to check on these in about 30-35 minutes, and we'll see you then. Okay, so we got these back inside now. Was an hour and a half total, 45, 30, and then last 15 boosted up to 400 just to get the nice crisp on them. You can serve this with basically any kind of dipping sauce that would lend itself well to a pickly taste, like a ranch dressing, or something with dill in it. Or if you want to go on the spicier end, a lot of times when you get fried pickles, you get that like spicy remoulade sauce. So that's what we went with here. So now all we'll have to do is to enjoy. Thanks for checking us out. See you next time.